Kan long ka sngi sa jingkan mau ya ka pule puthi Haribhoi district, hadian ka jingyai lenti ka balai penyo snem ka Ribhoi college. Bat ka bala say bun hajar ngut ki samla pule, ha ka jing syakri ka berit ka jongka, wat la kim yo ki jing kersyan bapura na ki bor sorkar. Henry menta ka sngi ka santarik naiwing, kala kiu kerdan sya ka semi-government, lane bala tip kum ka People's College, bat kan long kalat ai jing yarap ya ki kun samla pule bala kot lat ka them Ribhoi. Ha ka ba ka te ka college kan yoru ya ka jing kersyan pisa, lembat ka jing itu na ka tanat pule puthi, bantung ya ki nong hikai bapura, bat ban itu na ka sorkar hapok ka te ka college. Ha ka ba ka sorkar leng ba ka People's College Grant in Aid Scheme, kaladap ban penmang khalai teli ki sanction post, na ka benta ki beladon lupa ha ka te ka college, bat sa khat prateli ki de ki post bala penmang thamai, kata kentup ya ki nong hikai, bat ki weipat ki basyakri ha ka te ka college. Ya ka jing yalang kentiu kerdan, la saki da ka jing syim bentau ba la kemen remboi menteri ketanat pule puthi ka sorkar, ubalongru u kongsan, ha ka bala don rengkat langru u Dr. Didi Lapang unong ai buit ka sorkar jela, u MLA kan nopok constituency u ba Merel Bonds im, u MDC kan nopok constituency u ba Balaji Rani, bat kiwei ki officer ba kentup ya ka kong FM Lakyang ADC ka Ribhoi district, bat kiwei, lembat ki bor penyat ya ka college, ki ba kentup ya u principal ka Ribhoi college u ba SSR Bamon, ka secretary ka governing body ka Ribhoi college ka kong WK Bla, ki nong hikai, bat ki samla pule ki ba penpu penping ya ka jingyalang hi barok kawai.
Ribhoi college. Well, I remember in this time, I was sharing Babu Yalam the college. The family of Babu Yalam is the mainspring to see that we got this college into existence. Now, during his time, what they said to him, Yalam, when you have got your home and heart in the eastern area, it is a moral duty to see that one college should be started there. We give all the support, and he did it. He's from Kardem, and in his house just there in the East Ribhoi. Then he started it. We support financially from the college, and we support also just the seat to get here and to help them to do, and it came Eastern College. And I'm glad when before I left the election and retired from politics, I thought I will tell the new MLA whether it will be done or not. But he said, I'm trying my best. It's a good news that about 2 months ago, we have inaugurated Northern Ribhoi College at Umden. What moved my heart and will be recorded in the site of thankfulness is that on the day when we inaugurated this college, during the speech, Merel Bond said, I know this college is facing problem, financially and otherwise, they have to start. They don't have a shelter to hold their classes. They got a land of 6 acres, but it's barren land. Under this problem, I have been thinking it would be wise, it would be a little bit of encouragement that on my own organization with the office as a whole, he gave 5 lakhs cash down payment on a day to meet the fifth salary. See, this encouragement is very rare. So thank you, Mr. Merel. God bless you, and go all along the way that your blessings will be benefited by others. We have got another members of the governing body besides MDC. We got Mr. Kansai Makadok, Bill Senior, full of vision also, has been in the role playing of developing Ribhoi. We got Kansai Makadok, then R.B. Shadab, at the moment is the president of Ribhoi Dorpan. So the governing body feels people from the above may have a say for the welfare of this college. They've got S.O. Lunsford, and then from the family still today, they are there in the governing body, have got an office. Well, we are glad we have the goal that Mrs. and the principal have given a little bit of the background of college and the temple. We are going ahead, and with the change of circumstances, the change of problem and all, my advice is we have to take a stand. We have to take a stand. I have always reminded friends about the life of Napoleon. I have repeatedly said, because I always get a message when the colleagues, the partners, the people that Napoleon Bonaparte, so because Napoleon is a very short, 5 feet 1 inch, they used to tease him and make toy with him and try to annoy him. When he grew up, he became a leader. They said, Napoleon, during the college days you are nobody. You are in the corner. Nobody respects you. How do you become great? You become big, known by the world. Napoleon said, if you say that I'm big, it's just because one thing, and that thing made me great. And that which made me great is that the word impossible will not be found in my dictionary. I wish students of this college to have the guts to say, the word impossible will not stand in my way. I should succeed. Fight, to strive, and not to win. We have to win, and we have to get the glory or the success of life.
But as I said, we have the commitment to fulfill. And that commitment that we have to take the higher, to look at higher education so that the youth of today, so that the young mind could have the facilities, should have the liberty to get the higher education. Yes, it is here said and done, but we have to work together. I'm very happy in the last 3.5 years, we are trying to fulfill many of the promises which we are committed. Ribhoy is one of the districts where we are looking how to develop. That's why we have already completed the construction of college at Pathakman. I hope next year, the 50th year of our statehood, we will be able to start the college in the Western Ribhoy, that is in Pathakman. And we know that Ribhoy College, for the last 37 years, it has done a human service to the student community of the Ribhoy, to the people of the Ribhoy. And we know that the government from time to time try to extend what are facilities to this college. But it's not good enough. Yes, 13 posts have been sanctioned in the last many years. And we know from the principal of the college and from the secretary of the college that about 51 teaching and non-teaching staff are there in this college. I'm not telling that what we are doing today will fulfill everything. No. Education is a very dynamic. What we fulfill today is just a step for in the coming days.
It is like a dream come true today that we are here through the dedication, through the hard work of each and every one of the person concerned who have been having a sleepless night since the beginning, since the inception of this beautiful college that has had a foundation in this very, very beautiful place now. It is like a dream come true, as I have said, that today the Honorable Minister in charge of Education by himself is coming to hand it over that Ribhoi College will be regarded as the People's College to grant the aid scheme government. This initiative, we have seen the proactive steps taken by the government with regards to education. We have seen since Sarambui has taken over as the Education Minister, there are many bold steps that has been taken, even though it has been taken quite a few some time to deliver due to many reasons known to everyone, especially due to COVID-19. But today, we are happy to be here that this college will be regarded as a People's College. Thank you so much, sir. And we know the groundwork that you have done by yourself. We know the groundwork that have done by the officer concerned, by the bureaucrats, be it at the secretariat, be it at the district level. And we are happy to see that education in our state, it has going from strength to strength.